friends. It's 2:43 in the afternoon. I want to see if there's a trade. Not feeling the greatest, but this is important. One, I want to make some money. And two, I want you guys to see. All right, so here we are. That's the daily chart. I'm going to go down to a 30-second chart. That's where I like to be. Now I got to reset the chart. Right click, right view. Oh, now if I reset the chart, I got to change the scale of the SMAX, right? Reset it. Draw it down to where it's almost flat. Bring it up here. Out of the way. Flatten it out a little more. Bring it up here. There, now I gotta widen my screen so I can see the candles. Change the scale of my candles so I have some idea. Visually, I can see the motion. All right. So let me get rid of my drawings. Or no, I'm not going to get rid of my drawings, right? I like those drawings. Because those drawings are from earlier today. I made, not only did I put them on there, but I made a video about them being on there. Those are good support levels, right? Especially if I'm considering a long, if I was considering a short, why am I considering a long? Because of this right here, right? There's some overriding sentiment environment to the upside. So I'm considering a long. I haven't decided. But if I was considering a short, then this would be a good target right here, right? That's that little perfect little doji. Now I'm not convinced. Okay, now I'm convinced. Why am I convinced? Because up here on the VMAX, when my eyes just keep on bugging me. That is the last low. That's a higher low, so that means that we got more pressure currently to the upside. Now, if we get another reversal and this drops it down, then this high will be lower than that high. In that case, we'll have to rely more on the LMAX. There we go. Yeah, so see, there we go. Currently, we still haven't crossed that. We're completely in a sideways market. Now, this is telling me more likely whatever I do, it's going to be a short trade, if there's going to be a trade at all. I haven't passed that. I've passed that, so we're looking for a sell at this moment. I use my hack. If you've been in the mentoring, you have access. You understand the hack. You know what I saw. But I'm still waiting for the regime to change, which we haven't gotten yet. Now I'm looking for I'll go either way. I'll go with a buy signal if I still keep the regime here, and I'll go with a sell signal if I get a change in regime, right? And in the meantime, it's like I say all the time, you're at a buffet. There's the buy signal. Where am I? Here I go. Okay, now my take profit right there. My stop loss down here. That is not a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. That's okay. All right, now at 4 ticks, I want to see something better than 4. If I don't see anything better than 4, okay, look, yeah, see, I didn't see better than 4. But I also didn't see that drawdown was, last time was negative 40 something, the versus this time was only negative 18. So there's not as much strength to the downside, right? Here's another buy signal. Come on, let me see 5 or 6 or 9. Something telling me that there's some appetite up there, right? I'll take the 28 bucks. 17, there we go. 26. I'm at 182 bucks. Let's get out here so we can see a little more. Come on. These afternoon trades are kind of rough, right? 26 ticks, 182 bucks. I'm out. I'm done. I don't have the patience for this. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 182 bucks. This morning on 2 trades, I lost one, I won the other. I picked up around 400 bucks, right? So I'm up about 600 today, about 2,000 yesterday, And there was more. If I'd have waited another 30 seconds, there was more. But I just didn't have the patience. Like I said, I don't feel that great. I love to get in and get mine and leave. Go up there to the buffet, wait my turn in line, get the freshest piece of pie that they got or whatever it is, and get that and then go and leave some for someone else. Everybody's happy. Everybody's smiling. They're doing their thing. I'm doing my thing. And there, look at that. Look at that. See, we got out on this candle, and then we had to draw down on those candles. So we probably got ours, right? The rest of this is cold food. All right, that's it.